Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're purchasing. We're on the West Bank at Jefferson Parish in Marrero. We actually own a lot of properties in Marrero. We really like the West Bank and we really like Marrero. So the seller had reached out to us. They've owned it for a while, but they're looking to sell. They were rehabbing the property, but they're just, they've had enough. They don't really want to finish it. They spent enough money and they just want to move on. So wanted to sell it to a cash buyer who would buy it in as is condition and finish the rehab, etc., which is something we're always happy to do. So you can check it out. So if you see some of the videos of properties we buy, it's not too bad by my standards, but you can see like that hasn't finished the paint job. It's quite patchy. It's okay, but it's gonna really need to be updated in the kitchen. A few holes in the wall. Got the fan down. Still, a few holes in the wall. So again, by my standards, this isn't too bad at all. Definitely not a project I'm scared of. We take on way bigger projects than this. But just for the seller, they just didn't want to finish it off. They didn't have the money, time, resources, energy, and we were able to offer them a number that worked for them and worked for us. So we're proceeding to buy it. We haven't closed yet. We're just getting the title worked out, and we're coming in just to get our plans together on what we're going to do with it. But we should close. Within the week now. So, guys, if you have a house looking to sell, maybe something like this that you've started a project and don't want to finish. Maybe something with a tenant in place. We buy a lot of houses that have tenants because we hold a lot of rental properties. So maybe something like that. Maybe a property you've inherited and you just don't want to fix it up and clear it out. We buy as is, which also means it means you don't need to make repairs, but it also means you don't need to clear it out. So you obviously take all the things you want, but if there's things you don't want, you can just leave them in the house and we'll deal with them. So reach out to us. You can also visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information there on selling your house, different options you have, etc. And just give us a call. We're happy to help. We're really friendly. You'll hear Ariane, she's our acquisition specialist, and she'll generally speak to you, and she's super friendly, understanding, and we'll listen and see what's up, and we'll try to give advice. We don't need to buy every house that from people we speak to, so we're not going to desperately try to buy your house. We're going to give you the best advice, things you can do, and if we are a good option, then great, we'd love to buy it and make it a real simple sale. But if we're not the best option, we'll tell you straight up and wish you the best in finding that best option. So thanks guys, have a good one, appreciate you.